Hi there, welcome back. Your screen too small when you're trying to record? Well, let's fix this right now. Come along with me and I'll show you how. So here we are on the desktop. Now we'll proceed to to my channel, the DFS show. Let's go. As you can see, this is my studio. And if I was doing a presentation or preparing to do a presentation, to do video or screen sharing, look, the screen is too small and the viewers may have a little difficulty to see the screen. There's a fix for that. But before we go and fix it, let me show you one more thing. This is the panel for setting. Now, if you look, you notice it's small. And to show display like this, it will be too small for a presentation. Now we will fix it. So let's close this back down, go back to the desktop. So at the desktop, right mouse click, then go down to setting, display setting. Click on the required window or monitor that you are presently on, then you scroll down to scale. Then when you reach scale, you move over to the right and you will see 100% or whatever is on your display. My display is showing 100%, but I need more than that to do my presentation. So I'm going to click on it and go down to about the recommended 150. But I really want it to be bigger that you can see it or the viewers can see it much better. So I'll go to 175. Let's do that. Right, so now you see that the screen is much bigger. Now let's go back to the DFS channel. Here we go. You notice the icons, the words are much bigger and easier to see. Let's go back into the settings. Wow, this will be perfect to do my display. See that? You can see everything. And you do your presentation with much ease. See all the words big and you can see that? Right. In my next video, I will be showing you what to do to get your channel over 3,000 views. And it would not take you long to do that. There's stuff in your settings which you need to turn on, and there's some you need to turn off so that the algorithm can read your thing and put it to the viewers that it needs to go to. Very important if you want to get a lot of views, and then you will get a lot of subscribers. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. And at the bottom, there is more you can look on. Please subscribe, my family. Have a good day. I'll see you later in the next video.